Hi friends, welcome back to the video. Today we'll check about the formatting text, or you can say text formatting. What are text formatting? As earlier in the previous videos, we have seen the heading tags like from H1 to H6. So that includes this, and I'm not repeating these heading tags because already we have done the video. If you don't if you didn't watch that, you can watch that from the playlist. And the major thing is the h1 tag will be of around 32 pixel, and by decreasing that to h6 it will be around 10 pixels. So that is the major thing. And now we'll directly jump into this list elements, I mean list tags. So what is list tags? We have three kinds of list tags. One is unordered list, ordered list, and description list, right? We'll check that by using the VS Code and browser. Yeah, here we go. I'm just going to back page. Let's create some file unordered list. Okay, let me close this, and I'm just trying to create unordered list. Yeah, so what next? In unordered list we can I'm just creating the boilerplate. Okay, boiler code. I'm sorry. And let me close. Okay, let me rename to unordered list. Okay, do we have that unordered list here? Yeah, here we go. I'm just opening this unordered list. And what is unordered list? Let me show you. Unordered list will be represented with ul tag, ul, and in inside ul tag we have li stands for list. Okay, this is list item 1. Okay, we can replicate this. You can okay, you can see this is a kind of list where we have the dotted one by default, and even we can change it to different types by just giving the type as disk or anything. I'm just giving the type as disk. Okay, type is equal to disk. So if I save this, you are able to see it's showing like the disk one. This is the default one. If I make it change to circle, you can see it has been changed to circle. And even if you make it to square, it will be coming in this manner. Okay, yeah, this is a square thing. So these are all three types of unordered list. Let's jump into the ordered list. Now let's look into ordered list. Okay, let me rename the same file so that we can check in the same thing, or I will check it as list. Okay, yeah, and here it is list. Yeah, that's fine. And now coming to ordered list, let me write it as unordered. Okay, and just I'm commenting this out. Okay, yeah, or else we can keep it as unordered list, it will be fine. Next, coming to break and HR tag, so that we'll able to see the next thing, which is ordered list. Okay, yeah, what is ordered list? Generally ordered list will be represented in numeric values 1 2 3 a b c, or in different kinds. Like let me show you. Capital A or small a, capital okay. Ordered list will be defined with OL. OL stands for ordered list, and similar to LI. Okay, I'm just replicating 3 times. What can say? We can use it as apple, banana, and grapes. Okay, yeah, this is the order list. By default it will be shown as 1 2 3. we can change the types of ordered list by using the type is equal to, oh god, okay, type is equal to 1. If I give this as 1, it will be shown as 1 2 3 ordered list, and if I give it as a, then it will be started with abc. Similarly, small a and capital I stands for like italic, I mean Roman numbers of 1 2 3. And if I give small I, it will give represented in 1 2 3. Okay, so this is the this is all about a ordered list. Now we'll jump into the third one, which is of description list. Most probably the people will use ordered and unordered list. I'll whatever. Let me show you about the unordered. Let me show you about this description list. Okay, description list. We're able to see that. Let me scroll down. So here the description list stands for it will display a list of terms and their description in the HTML pages. Like let me show you an example. Here we have three kind of tags. One is DL. DL represents for description list. Okay, and then comes with DT. DT stands for description terms. Like let me explain. ABC. Okay, I'm writing ABC. This is DT, and DD stands for description terms. What is the definition of the description terms? We have defined here ABC, right? So what is actually ABC stands for? Like a apple, banana. Let's write that. Okay, and C for cow. Yeah. Let's check what happens here. When I hover on this, I mean you can see it is showing as ABC and the description as apple, banana and cow, right? In the similar format. Let me replicate this so you will better understand how this works. Yeah, you can see in many of the situations, like if here we have a book name or anything else, that will be written in DT, and after that we'll have some description about that, right? So that will goes in DD, right? So here the name of the this is the description terms and this is the description details. So actually this is about the description list. If you face any challenge in this video, please comment me down, or else try to explore some new things in websites, so you'll get some idea about the ordered list and unordered list. Thanks for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video.